Ready, set, go.
Union Pacific and Santa Fe. What happened? Oh no, you just lost part of your training. One of your cars derailed.
What is going on here?
Oh,
Derailing on this curve.
I was doing a track drift. No idea what is happening in the train yard there.
That's just how it is, I guess.
And try again. There we go.
Okay. Let's get myself off the road again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I did it again. There we go.
Sounds good, Patrick. Cool.
Thomas.
I know, is that cool? Patrick, Finn, Patrick, you guys know each other? Patrick, we're gonna vote him in the beginning of the month.
All right.
And Finn, you became a member last month? 2 months ago, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I get my surgery.
Finn, what do you, or no, Patrick, what are you getting in the, you bought the, what loco are you getting?
I got a Union Pacific diesel locomotive with sound, an ES44 AC
Cool.
with box cars.
Sweet. So you're gonna get that pretty
You get the
soon.
reverse one and put the ball on the inside action?
Good.
Here comes the Milwaukee
Not
Road.
too bad.
Oh, then we get Chris. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's go get. Yeah. So basically, this scenery
I'm
is
coming
just
through.
like this.
Yeah, I know.
This one is purple. Have you saw it?
Well, yeah, and
Okay.
I saw you doing all this, and I know you just brought it back.
Yeah. So, so you take
your
your basic foam structure. Because, I have to.
All right, I'm running my train in Milwaukee Road.
Oh, there you
Back with your
go.
Amtrak Heritage Unit.
Yeah, just need something with a encoder around it.
Yeah, I think I found something on Amazon.
Oh yeah,
A Superliner car set.
cool.
Yeah, Train World needs to have more Amtrak locomotives.
It's up. It's up about this high. They put, so all this plastic grade, you see right here,
Yeah, the
all
tunnel.
of this gravel.
But yeah, even shorts out.
From here, all of this will all be gravel.
Yeah, I see it even
And I'm
shorts
gonna
out
take,
sometimes.
My tanks, I have a
Come on.
It's the same diameter, so I'll set that union on there where I want it, and then I'll paint glue around it, and then I'll shake all the sand on it, and then when it gets kind of dry, I'll pull that out, and it's a perfect circle that these things will set in.
When you said a union.
Yeah, all these things are,
Yeah, it's just like a pipe, right? An empty pipe.
well, it's PVC.
Oh, it's
The PVC. So I have a PVC union. It's the same diameter.
Union Pacific and CN face hauling quite the load there.
Yeah, so I'll sit it on there, and then I'll glue it
Wow.
on it, put all my base glue on it, and then I'll shake all this gravel all around it. And let it dry. And then when I pull them off, it'll be a perfect little circle for each of them to sit in. Because these have to come out. So when it goes in there, there'll be little pipes that come out of here. They'll be the same diameter as this pipe. And they'll come out and they'll go through a pipe rack. It'll go down here and down here and under that. And there'll be pipe racks on the ground everywhere. They'll go on top of this gravel. And then, so what if there's a guy in Canada called M-Scaler 454. And I'm following his.
454, yeah.
Yeah, he's got 454.
NASCAR guy.
Yeah, and that's the deal with 454. But he sells this toolkit. And all it is a piece of PVC. And then you get the stairs and the roof and this thing.
Yep.
And he has a little hole up there. But there it is right there, but I use it over here. Because I put my stairs on first and I put it in the wrong place. I have two myself. I think on the other ones I realized that.
And that could be used as a water tower too, couldn't it?
Not really, not in a refinery.
No,
Yeah. But you could use it.
as a water tower.
You can use it for anything you want. You have to have another tank thing. There you go.
Well, I'm looking for a water tank.
Oh yeah, they have, these, I don't know what your water tank can be, what kind of scene. Oh, just like a city water tank one? Oh yeah, you'll find those, Yeah, the Walters will have one.
Yeah, I've seen that, you know, the balls, tall towers.
Yeah, they'll have all, But see, I've been practicing with what kind of gravel.
Yeah.
So this isn't glued down right yet, but I like this to use it. Make fire tracks. But anyway, I'll, get that on there, I'll vacuum all this up. Then I'll put glue all down. Then I'll take a little, take that thing there. And then let it dry. Yeah, the initial one, okay, glue like. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm looking to see what time it is.
I pretty much do the brown paint here too. Right here you can see the and then the spray. Yeah, it'll be,
Working very well.
We had it.
I'm going, I get my shoulders.
No.
What happened?
I have a arthritic shoulder joint, and all the cartilage is gone. It's bone on bone. So they're gonna replace the whole joint.
I think I had bursitis because last week I couldn't do this.
Yeah, I can, I can only go about right here, and I can't even go behind my back at all.
It's just killing me.
I know.
From
Mine-
Sunday through.
I can't move mine, and if I try, it aches and sleeping
I'm
on
a
it.
side
and stuff.
sleeper right now. I couldn't even sleep. It hurt so
I
much.
know, it wakes me up all day. I was taking Advil PM, and they cut me off of those a week before surgery.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna do anything else. Let that dry.
That was a little in-scale cost.
What do you think? I put a clear. That's the same pipe. still need that. You know, I grabbed a few trees, give me a few trees to put up. Yeah. But, whole bunch of trees, I'll get some bushes and maybe a little, catty grass, patches. Yeah. Just, but you can work on that anytime. Mm-hmm. I just wanted to get the base down. Yeah. And I was surprised how well it matched.
I did it again.
The airport's good.
Why's it getting stuck here?
Yeah, they're all using the same stuff that I use. Yeah. So this is, I don't know if I told you that. This is my experiment for the gravel. Yeah, you can get tire tractor and everything, and then I put this little tiny square track with the curve that goes around all of this, all the way down everything. And then the gravel will go right up against that little groove right there. And then I'm getting rid of all this gray stuff, it'll all be covered up. So this is called, yeah. So he can do whatever he wants on this. I'm gonna
See how long my phone is
tape
now.
on here.
Yeah.
These are the same cars they had last time.
This is gonna go right here.
Going right past the
all way
airport.
down.
Yeah.
I watched a really cool video of this guy takes a really fine rod like this. And I have a whole bunch of stuff. He solders it. And then just lays this nylon cloth stuff that looks like chain link. And he just glues that cloth on there, trims it all off, and then he
As Union Pacific and Santa Fe are coming into view.
So I think I can do one big old long fence right here, you know, and stick it right in there. That'd be good. Yeah, get that fence on here. So then I got stickers too, put some gold foil stickers on these towers right here, and gold foil on these tangs. And then I have a gold foil office, goes right there. The guard shack goes down there, there'll be a fence that goes across the road. A guard shack with a gate.